We told you guys we're gonna give $100 away. I got the $100 bill sitting here. We're gonna pick a random subscriber from the content comments in the video we had. Got 48 hours to contact us for the winner. Let us know. $100 cash, yours, however you want it. 101s, 250s, 520s, $100 bill, $100. So thank you for coming out this weekend. Thank you for liking and subscribing to our videos. Keep watching our videos. When we hit 1,000, we're gonna do a bigger one. But right now we're gonna pick the winner. So you can see, all generated randomly. I'm gonna hit this button right here, and it's gonna pick a random winner from the comments and subscribers to the video we posted on our Facebook and our YouTube video. So with that said, once I hit this button, it's gonna show us the winner. Hopefully it works right. If not, I'm sorry, we'll try it again. So here we go. If we can focus right there. I'm gonna hit this button on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1. It's picking the winner. The winner is Teddy Bean. Teddy Bean. Teddy Bean. If that's your YouTube name, you got 48 hours to contact us.
And we'll contact you too.
Yeah, we'll contact you.
We'll find your email and everything, and then within 48 hours, if there's no response, then we'll pick a new winner.
Yeah. So Teddy, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for everybody else that's subscribing. Keep following us. Help us grow our channel. Keep coming out to our sales. We're trying to put on great sales. When you come out, when you subscribe on our videos, when we hit 1,000, we're going to do way bigger than this. Trust me. Get us to 1,000. Then let's get to 10,000. Then let's get to 100,000. The bigger we grow, the more opportunities. We like to give back to our community. This is our very first give back. Teddy Bean, congratulations on $100. Thank you for everybody that entered and subscribed. We appreciate it. We can't grow without you guys. You guys are part of the Devil Dog family. With that said, thank you very much, and congratulations, Teddy.